Once upon a time, in the vast and untamed wilderness, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo was not an ordinary lion, he possessed the mentality of a king. His majestic presence and regal demeanor set him apart from all other creatures in the animal kingdom. Leo, unlike ordinary lions, did not merely survive, he thrived. He understood that his role as a king meant more than just ruling over the land. It required wisdom, courage, and a unique mindset that differentiated him from the rest. While other animals would fearfully scurry at the sight of danger, Leo stood tall, his eyes gleaming with determination. One day, a group of hyenas approached Leo's territory, hoping to claim it for themselves. The hyenas were known for their cunning and relentless nature, but Leo remained unfazed. He knew that being a king meant never backing down in the face of adversity. Instead of attacking, Leo approached the hyenas with a calm demeanor. He spoke to them with authority, explaining that his territory was not up for grabs. He emphasized the importance of unity and cooperation in the animal kingdom, offering them an opportunity to peacefully coexist. The hyenas were taken aback by Leo's confidence and wise words. They had never encountered a lion like him before. Intrigued by his mentality, they decided to give his proposition a chance. Over time, Leo and the hyenas developed an unexpected alliance. Together, they patrolled the territory, protecting it from external threats. Leo taught the hyenas the values of loyalty and leadership, while the hyenas taught him the importance of adaptability and teamwork. News of Leo's extraordinary mentality spread throughout the animal kingdom. Other animals marveled at his ability to transcend the ordinary and embrace the qualities of a true king. They were inspired by his unwavering determination and his capacity to bring different species together. Leo's reign as king continued to flourish. He implemented fair laws and provided guidance to his subjects, always considering their welfare above his own. Under his rule, the kingdom became a harmonious and prosperous place, where animals of all backgrounds coexisted in peace. The tale of Leo, the lion with the mentality of a king, serves as a timeless reminder that greatness lies within the minds of those who dare to think differently. Like Leo, we all have the power to rise above mediocrity and embrace our unique qualities. By cultivating a mentality that transcends the ordinary, we can become the kings and queens of our own lives, inspiring others along the way. And so, the legend of Leo, the Lion King, lives on, reminding us that the mindset of a king is not defined by one's crown or title but by the unwavering belief in oneself and the ability to lead with compassion and courage.